Hi everyone, this is what we got after coming here at IOB Chennai. Yesterday I came here. I got this box here. Here we got some toiletries, and this is what I got today. I didn't open the bag yet, so let's see what we got. The strap of the bag. It's quite small and cute little bag for a laptop and some books or whatever you can put. We got one big book here. Oh my god, quite big. Got some other stuff. There we go. One notepad and one pen. That's all we got here. I'll be uploading this video after going away from this hostel, so enjoy.